Hello everyone, today I'll show you the simplest way to download historical data from Yahoo Finance. Whether you're tracking stocks, indexes, or other assets, this is a fantastic way to gather historical performance data for your analysis. To start, visit Yahoo Finance and enter the name of the stock or index or any asset you need to search in the search bar. Once you're on the page for that asset, locate the historical data tab. Once you have clicked on Historical Data tab, this section is where all past performance data is stored, covering everything from daily to monthly intervals. Next, set your preferences. Choose the date range you are interested in as well as the frequency and click on the download button. This only will be visible to you when you are signed in to your account. So once you click on the download button, it will be saved as a CSV file. You can also open this CSV file in Excel or other data analysis tools. That's all. It's a fast and easy way to collect and analyze financial data. So you're all set for your next analysis project.